In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Coda 9. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into your gunsmith and then go over to the customize tab up at the top and then into the camo section and go to this multiplayer tab right here, and you're going to see all the challenges that you have to complete in order to end up with Shattered Gold. Now these first 9 camos right here are going to be your headshot kills. You have to get 80 of them total, and this actually isn't too bad with the Coda 9. I will say this gun has a lot of kick. It has a very quick TTK, but it kicks up a lot when you're shooting it. So what I would recommend doing is aiming a little bit towards like the upper body, upper torso section specifically, because it's going to kick up a little bit, and that last bullet that actually gives you that kill is going to be what counts for that headshot. This is probably the hardest challenge that you're going to have overall with the Coda 9, and it's going to take you the most amount of time, but lock in, get those 80 headshots done, and we can move on to the first special camo, which is Diamondback right here. Now, essentially, all you gotta do is just have a suppressor attachment equipped and then get 10 eliminations. This one is super easy to go and do, and it's super self-explanatory. And I did forget to mention, for all of these, what you're gonna wanna do is play objective-based game modes like Hardpoint or Domination. So that goes for all of these challenges. Play Hardpoint specifically. I think it's the best for knocking out these pistol kills just because it is a little bit more hectic. And the zone is moving around a lot more, allowing you to essentially catch people off guard more often. But yeah, suppressor attachment for this. Moving on to Raptor though, 30 hipfire kills. This is super easy to go and do, and it's self-explanatory. Again, there's not really a specific method. Just get 30 hipfire kills. It should take 1 game max. For mainframe, you gotta get 15 kills shortly after switching weapons. So switch from either your melee or from your primary weapon to knock out this one right here. And you just got to get 15 kills. This should take you less than 1 match, which will allow you to move on to Shattered Gold, which is 3 kills without dying 10 times with the Coda 9. Essentially, you're going to want to play Hardpoint or Domination. I like Hardpoint, but Domination is a good secondary option. And essentially, all you got to do is camp outside of the Hardpoint area or the Domination zone and kind of pick off people as they're running towards it, just since they aren't going to be primarily focused on you. Make sure you're playing as safe as possible. If you think it's risky, don't go for the kill. You're going to want to make sure that you get 3 kills essentially without dying before anything. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.